Hey guys, welcome to Automotive News from Automotive Encyclopedia. I'm Rishabh and today I'll be talking about the 2015 Mercedes-Benz AMG C63 S sedan, the world's first 3D printed car and the Tesla Snakebot automatic charger. And if you guys have noticed, I have a green screen today and I'll be surely editing all this stuff and I'm having some issues right now, so enjoy the video. So now talking about the 2015 Mercedes-Benz AMG C63 S sedan, the new C-Class has grew a bit in every key dimension. The C63's V8 shrinks its displacement from 6.2 liters to 4.0 while gaining a pair of turbochargers. As said before, the C63S has a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine handcrafted by Mercedes-AMG. The Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires pay major dynamic dividend. The engine produces a power of 510 horsepower at 516 pounds per feet of torque. The Mercedes-Benz AMG C63 S has the new LED headlamps and fiber optic LED tail lamps. Talking about the comfort and convenience, the C63 S has the 14-way power front seats and dual zone climate control. Tesla's horrifying snakebot automatic charger. As we all know that Tesla has invented a lot of things and gave a big contribution in the electric automobile industry by inventing the Model S and a lot of new parts. So they have invented a new kind of a charger which looks like a snake and moves like a snake. So they Tesla have released a new video in which the charger or the snake bot is in action. So the video comes next. World's first 3D printed car. This strategy, the world's first 3D printed car, is a very humble car. The car is printed and built in Detroit in collaboration with Oak Ridge National Lab in Tennessee. It is a small electric two-seater car. The wheels are super narrow to accommodate high pressure, low rolling resistance tires. It is printed from carbon fiber reinforced plastic, a versatile, strong, and relatively cheap material. And if you manage to damage the tub, you can unbolt the motor and suspensions and melt the car down. And the third prototype took just 40 hours to build. So I hope you guys like the video. So please do comment, share and subscribe and do like the video. Thanks for watching.